Hello future CAs, welcome back to my channel again. So are you guys gearing up for the May 2025 or September 2025 CA Foundation exams? So are you feeling a little lost or unsure about how to streamline your preparation in these final days? Well, I have got some fantastic news for you all. The ICAI is bringing you a golden opportunity. That is a power-packed Success at CA exam BOS session for all CA Foundation students aiming for May 2025 and September 2025 attempts. So in this video, we'll discuss as to why you should attend these sessions and how you should prepare before attending these sessions so that you can make the most out of it. The schedule for these sessions, how to join the live session, and also just in case you missed the live session, how you can access the recording. So this is going to be a very informative video. So stay with me till the end. Before going ahead, in case you are new to my channel, I request you all to subscribe and also hit that bell icon below so that you can get notified whenever I post new videos. So guys, when you visit my channel in the playlist section, you can see there is a separate playlist for CA Foundation exams. So here you will find different videos regarding different types of study plan, subject specific guidance, etc. And there is also a playlist for business law. So here I have made videos on how to present answers for business law, both for case scenario based question as well as direct theory question. And then there is also a playlist for CA Foundation Business Law, Indian Regulatory Framework recorded lecture. And there is another playlist for CA Foundation 1.5 day revision plan. So in this, for all the 4 subjects, you can see as to how you can revise in 1.5 day. That is, after each exam, there will be 1.5 days time, right? So if you want to know how to revise in those 1.5 day, you can watch this playlist. Apart from that, there is also a playlist as CAGPT for students. So in this I have made video where I have shown how you can use CAGPT, that is the different techniques in which you can use CAGPT for preparing for your exams. So please visit my channel and do watch the videos in this playlist and make the most out of it. So first we will see as to why you should attend these sessions. So guys, this is not a random revision class. So these sessions are designed and delivered directly by the BOS faculty. These are the same experts who prepare the ICAI study material as well as the mock test papers. And also in these sessions, you will get deep and focused insight for every subject. That is, there are 4 subjects in CA Foundation, right? Accounting, business law, quantitative aptitude and business economics. So there is going to be a separate session for each of these subjects. You will get subject specific guidance. And also you will learn how to avoid common mistakes that many students have made in the past. And most importantly, you will learn how to write the answers the ICAI way. So not only all this, by attending these sessions, you will be able to master the concepts from the people who know the syllabus the best. You will also learn how to strategize your study plan. So you can cover the most important topics first. You will also understand the examiner's perspective, what they expect and how to write high scoring answers. And you will also learn to identify and avoid frequent mistakes that cost marks. And you will also get some insights into the valuable exam writing techniques to boost your speed and accuracy. So now let's discuss as to what preparation is required before attending these sessions. Because just joining these sessions isn't enough. Here's how you can make the most out of it. So step number 1, revise the basics of each subject beforehand. The sessions will dive deep, so make sure you're already familiar with the fundamentals. Prepare your doubts, write them down as you study so that you can get them clarified during the sessions. Also have your study material ready. That is ICI study materials, RTPs, MTPs and your handwritten notes as well. Stay focused and eliminate distractions during the session. So take this session seriously. Treat this like a mock class. So now let's go ahead and see the schedule and timing of these sessions. So these sessions are starting from 28th April. So this is basically for students attempting in May 2025 and September 2025. So following is the schedule and timing. So on 28th April, we have paper 1 accounting and timing is 11 a.m. onwards. Then on 28th April itself, we have paper 2 business law. This will be from 2 p.m. onwards. Then on 29th April, paper 3 quantitative aptitude. This will be from 11 a.m. onwards. And then on 29th April, paper 4 business economics. This will be from 2 p.m. onwards. And if you are thinking how to join these sessions, this is very easy. It is very easy to join these sessions. You can join these sessions through the ICAI mobile app, which is available both on the Google Play Store as well as Apple Store. Otherwise, you can log in into these sessions through the BOS Knowledge portal. And also these sessions will be streamed live on the ICAI CATube YouTube channel. And also in case by any chance if you miss watching the live session and if you are wondering how to watch the recording, it's very simple. Just go to the ICAI CATube YouTube channel and there in the playlist section, a separate playlist will be created as Success at CA Exams for CA Foundation. So in that playlist, the recording of all of these sessions will be added. So you can access the recording from there. So this is a golden opportunity, guys. Do not miss this out. So if you are serious about clearing your CA foundation in May or September 2025, this is your chance to level up your preparation. Learn from the experts and enter the exam hall with full confidence. Remember, success doesn't happen by accident. It's planned, practiced and executed. And this BOS session is your key to that success. So don't miss out on this. Mark your calendars, prepare your notes and show up in these sessions. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like and share the video. And also subscribe to my channel for more CA exam guidance and tips. All the best for your exams. Happy studying. And I will see you all in the next video.